If you want to reap the benefits of eating kale, but you're not sure how to prep it, keep watching. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to prep kale. So how do we chop kale? There's a couple different ways that you can prepare kale. One way to prepare it, you don't even need a knife. I'm just going to simply rip the leaves off the stem. And then you can simply, by the way, kids love doing this, just rip the leaves apart into little bite-sized pieces. So aside from tearing up your kale leaves, if you want to chop them small to add them to a soup or something, I take the leaf and just fold it in half and then just lay it flat, slice it up lengthwise, one direction, and then turn it the other direction and just slice it that way. And then you have kale that's a little bit more finely chopped up depending on the recipe. Pretty easy, right? So now you can enjoy making kale a regular part of your diet. We all know how good it is for us, and it's a great source of calcium and magnesium, so what's not to love? Enjoy, and I'll see you the next time.